Tiny reviewer. Boston baked beans. Candy-coated peanuts. Wow, 15% more free than the 4.3 O's box. Here are the nutrition facts and here are the ingredients. Always contains peanuts. So the price is $1. So let's open this thing up. Well, let's first find the entrance. Found it. It was here. See the little tab? Oh, I wonder what's inside. I've never eaten this before, but it's probably like what I call old-fashioned candy. I'm saying like it was made a long time, like in the 1900s, like in the 1913s, or you know. Mostly pretty bigger than I thought. Here we go. I'm gonna leave it like this and slowly tilt it so that way it doesn't roll out a paper towel this time. So a little bit, push it. A little bit, and when they're a bit far enough, then I'll pour it while moving it. Pretty neat trick. That way it'll come out all nice. Right? I've never really eaten this before. Hope it's not spicy. The hot tamales. Daddy, you eat this one. What is this candy flavor? I'm thinking of it. Well, anyway, what candy that is, it's delicious. Candy-coated peanuts. Yeah, it's candy-coated peanuts, but what type of candy is this? I got the peanut. We both love it. This would be a great snack if you're on a road trip or in a football game. I mean, like, you know, people really do eat peanuts. As long as there's nobody in that football stadium that has peanut allergy. I'm very excited for the Super Bowl. Very, very excited for the Super Bowl. It's happening this February. I can't wait. Again? I mean, I'm eating my second one right now. Dad has his third one in his mouth. This is super yummy. Like, I can tell this is gonna be a sensation. This was a sensation probably in the 1900s, whenever that was manufactured. Their sizes are all different too. Some of them are flat like a stone, you know. Some of them are round, like completely round like a stone. Others, like, where was that? Some of them are super, super tiny, while others are gigantic. Compared, it's like an egg. This itty-bitty one doesn't really compare to this one. It's even smaller than this one. Goodness. Wow. Subscribe and press the like button, and I know you guys will subscribe if this was a YouTube channel. Like, literally, if this was like a YouTube channel, this peanut was a YouTube channel, I bet you will subscribe this. A joke, I'm kidding. Anyway, subscribe and press the like button, and see you guys soon. Bye. Ooh, peanut. I got it.